Hey grippers, welcome back to the Death Grip Garage. Today we're going to inspect and service the spark arrestor screen in the Moto Billet end cap on my KTM 350 EXC-F. I know a lot of you guys riding KTM 350s, 500s are using this same end cap. I hadn't realized until a few days ago that Moto Billet recommends cleaning the spark arrestor screen every time you clean your air filter or change oil. That seems a bit excessive to me, but since I've never checked mine and it's been on the bike for around 100 hours now, I figured I'd better take a look. I'm super curious if it looks like it'll need cleaning or not, so let's check it out together. If you get value from this video, like, subscribe, comment, and share. You guys know the drill. And don't forget to join me at the end for a toast. Let's go. So first we're going to take off. On mine, I've got the ultra silent insert, so we're going to take that off first. It's a 4mm hex head. Okay. A little dark, but obviously not plugged or anything. Alright, take the end cap off. Alright, let's get the screen out. I think it just pops out of there. Alright, let's take a look at that. Really not bad in my opinion. That could have went a little longer. Definitely not plugged or anything like that. So let's we'll clean that guy up and put her back in there. And like I said, it looks like it's actually very clean. I definitely don't think that needs to be done every time you clean an air filter or check or change your oil, but we'll still clean it up since we've got it out. I'm going to use a little bit of Power Clean by Motorex. This stuff works great. It's basically like a carburetor cleaner or anything like that. We'll just give it a good spray. Wipe it off, and I think we're going to be good to put her back in. So after 100 hours, at least with my spark arrestor, it was fine. I cleaned it up, but it really didn't need clean that bad. So to me, it's more probably of a 150 to 200 hour type of job. Definitely not something that I think that you need to do every oil change or air filter cleaning like it's prescribed by Moto Billet. But it was good to check it. I like to end all my videos with a toast. Here's to the way things ought to be. Here's to the way things are, and here's to finding out what happens next. Cheers.